Hi guys, Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all of you. My name is ISMAIL HAMSAN. I am 20 years old and currently I am still studying for Diploma Information of Technology in Bracket Networking at Polytechnic St. Johor. For the e-convergence program, I would like to present an interesting topic that is already being viral nowadays. Before we jump to the topic, let me first ask you a question. Sleepy. What can you define the word sleepy? What is actually the first thought of yours? From my understanding, sleepy means the needs or ready for someone or something to sleep. Boring. What about this? What is the answer firstly that crossed your mind? For me, boring is a situation that nothing or less interesting things happen in front of people's eyes. Sleepy plus boring. Okay, now here's the tricky question. When does the sleepy and boring situation usually take place? The answer is in theory class. But wait, I didn't say that all theory class are boring and make students sleepy. This one only happened on a little tiny cases only. So what is the solution for teachers nowadays to avoid those things? My answer is e-learning. Interesting, isn't it? Okay, for those who still questioning what am I talking about here, let me first introduce to you what is e-learning. E-learning is the use of various technological tools that are either web-based, web-distributed, or web-capable for the purpose of education. The delivery of a learning, training, or education program by electronic means, e-learning involves the use of a computer or electronic device, for example like a mobile phone, in some way to provide training, educational, or learning material in or out of the classroom. Next is, why should we use this method? Let's take a good look to this picture. First of all, it is a cost-effective and of course save teaching times. For those who still wonder what kind of tools to develop interesting e-learning method, I will reveal the secrets later. Next is we can learn it in any time and any way we want to. And lastly is discrete. This could be the advantages for you guys who loves to learn in a small amount of people or standalone. For those that been questioning by people, what else is the benefit of using e-learning? Well, here is the simple answer. It's interactive. Let's take a look at this. Well, hi. Can you tell us what makes the e-learning very interactive? Can you tell us what makes the e-learning very interactive? Well, we are still waiting. Oh, well, I guess for your information, interactive is communication which involves two different processes, either with human in computer or etc. The next is, when can we implement the e-learning? Well, like Malaysian people always say, melentur buluh biarlah dari rebungnya, or in short, since early of age. Alright, this is because at age of 2, children usually have started to recognize colors, words, and sometimes even memorizing statements. Well, this figure shows that children usage of electronic devices between 4 until 6-year-old in Malaysia. This yellow figure shows that someone in family owns a laptop or smartphone, and the orange one shows the percentage of child users of electronic devices for daily, weekly, and less often. Just imagine what is the result for a year. That is why e-learning should be implemented since early of age. Then, where e-learning should be used? The answer is maybe can be kindergarten, at school, at college, or university. Just now I have explained to you the implementation to kids. So let's focus to kindergarten as our test subject. This is the picture at kindergarten in St. Johor that I used as my test subject. Apparently, the teacher is still using the method to teach where she keeps explaining the information to students using an existing notes and explaining it again and again. Unfortunately, the problem is students easily got bored. The next is how to produce an interactive e-learning. There are various types of tools or software which can help people to produce interactive e-learning. And for me, I would prefer to use Adobe Flash CS6. Alright, this is one of the interactive activities that contained in the CD that I created before. In this game, user will be asked to wear Bobo Boy with a red suit. But what if the user wear him with the wrong suit? Let us try. Then, there we get the wrong answer. Now, let us try the correct one. You see here, just imagine what if we implement this interactive e-learning with Adobe, and just imagine what if it spread for the whole world. Thank you for you guys for lending me your ears.